Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, the ones where you have the toggles, which is located on the right side because HUAWEI does divide them into two halves. So from the right side, you want to expand it, and then here you should find the toggle for screen recording. For me, it's right over here. Now once you find it, simply tap on it, select agree. It gives you a really quick overlay information, so microphone on off, and just stop recording. Select got it. And as you can see, it's already recording, so whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now once you're done recording, simply press right here. It will stop the recording and save it into your gallery application. So there we go. So there we go. So that's the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.